Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Engineering Educators, Engineering in an Engineered Way. I am Milan and today I am going to discuss the VIZAG Steel Management Trainee 2017 Mechanical question paper. So this is the part 4 of this question paper as well the video series. If you have not watched the previous 3 videos, the link is given in our description box. So before starting this video, I want you to please like, comment and subscribe our channel. So let's start to the first question. The first question is, the gear shaper can be used to cut following type of gear. Options are internal, external, accurate, or option D, all of the above. So the right option for this question will be option D, all of the above, because we know the gear shaper is a machine tool for which is used for cutting teeth of internal or external gears. It is also a special type of machine tool of the shaper machine. So the right option for this question will be option D. Next question is, the work study is concerned with. Options are improving present method and finding standard type. Option B, motivation of workers. Option C, improving production capability, or option D, all of the above. The right answer for this question will be option D, option A, improving present method and finding standard time, because we know the work study, it investigates the work done in an organization and aims at the finding the best and most efficient way of using available resources such as men, material, money and machinery. So the right option for this question will be option A. Next question is, ABC analysis deals with analysis of process chart, flow of metals, ordering schedule of job, or option D, controlling inventory costs money. The right answer for this question will be option D, controlling inventory costs money, because we know the ABC, that is the always better control, is also known as the Pareto rule or 80-20 rule, which helps segregating the items from another and tells how much valued the item is and controlling it to what extent is in the interest of the organization. So the right answer for this question will be option D. Next question is, Gantt charts are used for forecasting sales, production schedule, scheduling and routing, and option D, linear programming. The right answer for this question will be option B, production schedule, because we know the Gantt chart is a modified bar chart used to keep track of multiple load in machine schedules and which is marked against a time scale. So the right answer for this question is option B. Next question is, break even analysis can be used for short run analysis, long run analysis, average of above 2 run analysis, that is the short run and long run, or option D, there is no such criteria. The right answer for this question will be option A, short run analysis, because we know the break even analysis is a technique used by production management and accountants, where they take the total cost is equal to total sale, that the organization neither earn profit nor suffer any loss. So the right answer for this question will be option A, short run analysis. Next question is, in order that linear programming techniques provide valid results, relations between factors must be linear, which is positive, or relations between factors must be linear, which are negative, or option C, A or B, any one of them, or option D, none of the above. The right answer for this question will be option C, A or B, because we know the linear programming is a mathematical technique that helps in decision making and planning for the optimum allocation of limited resources. It deals with the optimization of a function of variables, which is known as the objective function, subjected to a set of linear equations and inequalities known as the constraints. So the right answer for this question will be option C. Next question is, the simplex method is the basic method used for value analysis, operational research, linear programming, or method analysis. The right answer for this question will be option C, linear programming, because we know the simplex method used to solve any linear programming problem involving any number of variables and constraints, which can be hundreds or over thousands. So the right answer for this question will be option C. Next question is, the queuing theory is associated with sales, inspection time, waiting time, or production time. The right answer for this question is C, waiting time. Sorry, there is a C, waiting time, because we know the queuing theory, a mathematical study of waiting lines. Next question is, the reasons which are basically responsible for the formation of a queue should be that the average service rate is less than the average arrival rate, or option B, output rate is linearly proportional to input, or option C, output rate is constant and the input varies in a random manner, or option D, all of the above. Because the right answer for this question will be option D, all of the above, because we know for the formation of a queue, and it should have the average service rate is less than the average arrival rate. Also, the output rate is linearly proportional to input, and the output rate is constant, and the input variables in a random manner. So the right answer for this question will be option D. Next question is, in perpetual inventory control, the material is checked as it reaches its options are minimum value, maximum value, average value, or option D, middle value. The right answer for this question will be option A, minimum value, because we know the perpetual inventory control or continuous inventory, in which the information continuous updates of inventory records. So, the right answer for this question will be option A, minimum value. Next question is, the performance of a specific task in CPM is known as dummy or event or activity or contract. The right answer for this question will be option C, activity, because we know the CPM is the critical path method and it is activity oriented, used mainly for construction project. Next question is, the critical path on parts or CPM chart is obtained by joining the events having maximum slack, minimum slack, average slack, or no slack. So, the right answer for this question will be option B, minimum slack. So, we know the part is an event oriented and used for uncertain project, or the CPM as discussed in the last question is a activity oriented and used for construction or project works. We also know the maximum time consuming path from the first event to the last event in the network diagram is known as the critical path. So, the right answer for this question will be option B, minimum slack. Next question is, tolerances are specified. Options are to obtain desired fits, option B, because it is not possible to manufacture a size exactly, option C, to obtain high accuracy, or option D, to have proper allowance. So, the right answer for this question will be option B, because it is not possible to manufacture a size exactly. Next question is, which of the following can be used to scribe lines parallel to the edges of a part? And the right answer for this question will be option D, hermaphrodite. So, it is basically a caliper used to lay out lines that are parallel with the edges of workpiece, and it can also be used to locate the center of a shaped or cylindrical shaped workpiece. So, the right answer for this question will be option D. Next question is, a comparator for its working depends on accurately calibrated scale, comparison with standard such as slip gauges, option C, accurate micrometer gauge, or option D, optical devices. And the right answer for this question will be option B, comparison with standard such as slip gauges. So, that's all for this video. Thank you. Please like, comment and share it with your friends.